Hey Reddit enthusiasts, welcome back to your channel name. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up community alerts on Reddit, making sure you never miss a beat in your favorite subreddits. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your Reddit account. By opening the app, look for the three lines in the upper left corner of the screen, and then click on them. In the drop-down menu, select the community where you want to reduce or increase the number of displayed posts from that community on the Reddit application. Opening a new page, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on them. Then on the new page, look for the Set Community Alerts option in the drop-down menu. Click on it. By clicking on the option, you will be presented with three options, the right one of which is Off, which makes it impossible to completely pause posts from this community. Then Low, which enables only trending posts. And finally, Frequent, which enables daily notification regarding this community when something is published. And there he is. You've successfully set up community alerts on Reddit, allowing you to stay up to date with the latest discussions and posts in your favorite subreddits. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth Reddit guides, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.